Hello everyone, these are the water cooled chillers with centrifugal compressor VFD from Climaveneta being installed at one of our sites in Hyderabad. We have got 4 chillers each of 700 TR being installed. You can see the piping installation over here. We also have provided ATCS automatic tube cleaning system for this water cooled condensers to ensure better efficiency of the condenser. This is the ATCS panel. You can see the ball collector over here. This is the ball trap coming out of the condenser. Thank you.